So hey guys, welcome to Clear and Crisp Coding, and in this video we would be discussing CodeChef, June lunchtime, chef and demonetization problem. This was a really great problem which involved just some if and else which we need to balance. So here is the problem statement. You can read the problem, but if I explain you the problem in simple terms, then the problem is something like this. So since there was a fraud in the city, Shefu, the head of the country, decided to discontinue all the odd number currency of the nation. That means we would be given some number n, and all the values which are odd and less than n are not present to us, and all the even value currency is with us. And since after some time the citizens complained that if we only have even valued currency, then we won't be able to get any odd value out of it. So he decided that we would be only having 1 as the only odd value in the with us to get to into using any trade. So we would be given an integer s, and we have to find the minimum number of coin to pay the price s, such that so there is a number n, and we have all the even number less than n, which is 2, 4, 6 up to n, and n is given as even itself, that n is even. So we have all these number, and we have only one more type of coin, which is 1. So we have these type of coin and these type of coin. And now if we see, here is it. Okay, so we have to find the minimum number of coin we need to pay the price. Yes. Okay, so there is some sample input output. So explaining this question with the solution would be the best way, I think. So here is the cases which we need to handle. So if this s is less than or equal to n, that means s is somewhere here, then if s is 1, then we can just directly use that 1 coin this, then the answer would be 1. And if s is even, that means it is out of one of these 2, 6, 4, 8, 9 up to 2, 6, 8, 12, then we can also give that combination and answer would be 1. Or if s is some odd number in this, suppose s is 5, then what we can do is we can just use this 4 and use 1 coin, then we would be getting 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So the answer for these would be 2. So this case is clear. I think this is a really simple question. This is simple part of the solution, that if s is less, then we can use this own conditions to get to the answer. And if s is greater than n, then we have to basically see, let's see the example given in the question itself. This 31, s is 30 and n is 4. So basically we have 2, 4 and 1, and we using these we have to find how many of these, minimum of how many of these are required, so that the sum is 30. So what we are doing here is, in the solution if we see, we are finding the number of times this 4 is required to reach the most closer to it. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 16 plus 4 20 plus 4 24. So basically we are just doing 31 by 4, which will give us I think it is 4 4 6 24 4 7s are. So from 7 times if we use this 4, we can reach 28. That means out of 31 we can reach 28 by using just 7 coin of value 4, and the remaining one we need to cover with something like this. So now if we see the case is, so now if we see for this example 31 and 4 only, so we have reduced the problem to something like this. So out of 31 we have, this is 1 2 and 3, so out of 31 we have used 7 coin of 4, and this 31 out of the 28 has been paid. The remaining value is 3. So now we have to just pay this 3, and we can just do the same approach. If this is 0, that means we have paid all the value. So by reducing this 28 by some number, if it comes out to be 0, then the answer would be directly this, the number of time this maximum value is used, that is here 7. Since the answer is 3 here, so answer is odd, then we have to use 1 of 2 and 1 of 1 to compensate this. So the basically So first we are reaching closest to the s by using n, and if we have completely filled, that is s is 0, then we are just printing the number of time we needed to use this denomination. If s is 1, that means we have reached very close, but just one more coin is required. So we will be using the coin with value 1. And if it is even, then also we can use any even valued from 2 to n, and if it is odd, then we can use even value and plus 1. So this was the question solution. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. I would be really happy to help you. Do check out the other solution which I have also uploaded from this contest, and do subscribe to the channel, as we would be regularly posting competitive coding material from various contests. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.